So the Mini 4 Pro is here, making DJI's greatest iteration of the mini drone series to date, but what happens when you compare drones from two different segments and try to find the best fit for you? In this video, we're putting the DJI Mini 4 Pro against the DJI Air 3 to get that answer. DJI Mini 4 Pro weighing 249 grams matches the weight of its predecessors in the Mini series. This weight classification allows the drone to enjoy fewer restrictions in many regions worldwide. In terms of strict physical appearance, the drone's frame is constructed from plastic and features a light gray finish. To prevent overheating, the drone has air cooling vents positioned behind the gimbals and on the rear. However, it's worth noting that the drone lacks any form of weather protection due to its open design. On the bottom of the Mini 4 Pro, you'll find a central LED light along with two new additions exclusive to this model: vision positioning sensors and obstacle avoidance cameras. Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. In contrast, the Air 3 features a front dual camera setup and shares its design with the Mavic 3. It maintains its compact and foldable design, making it easy to travel with, and retains its distinct frog-like appearance. Notably, the arms of the drone are slimmer and the black camera module fits snugly over the gimbal, enabling it to capture low-angle shots effectively. The drone is equipped with sensors all around its body to detect obstacles, and in terms of weight, the Air 3 is noticeably heavier than the Air 2S, weighing 720 grams compared to the latter's 595 grams. This weight increase is primarily due to the inclusion of new 4241 mAh batteries. Now, DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts a 48-megapixel Type 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a brand new image processing platform. The sensor itself remains unchanged compared to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It introduces dual native ISO technology, and paired with this sensor is a 24mm equivalent f-stop 1.7 lens that provides an 82-degree field of view. It's capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 FPS HDR and recording slow-motion 4K footage at speeds up to 100 FPS. Video recording benefits from an upgraded noise reduction algorithm, especially in night shots mode. Additionally, the drone offers a 2x digital zoom, which, while not delivering exceptionally high-quality results, is adequate for sharing content on platforms like Instagram. What's more, the camera can be physically rotated, eliminating the need for additional cropping. To put it simply, DJI Air 3 features two powerful cameras, a wide-angle camera and a 3x medium telephoto camera, both of which are capable of taking 48-megapixel photos and recording 4K 60 FPS HDR videos. While these cameras offer impressive capabilities, the real excitement lies in the finer details. The wide-angle camera comes along with 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor equivalent to a 24mm format and boasts an f-stop 1.7 aperture. In contrast, the 3x medium telephoto camera also utilizes a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, providing a 70mm format equivalent, and features an f2.8 aperture. Moreover, the drone offers captivating video modes including focus tracking, master shots, night mode, and hyperlapse. In the slow-mo mode, you can achieve 4K UHD at 100 FPS and FHD at 200 FPS, opening up exciting possibilities for creative video projects. DJI Mini 4 Pro adds obstacle sensing in all directions to the Mini series, making it the first ultralight DJI drone with this feature. This enhances flight safety as it can detect obstacles from every angle. In terms of color profiles, the Mini 4 Pro offers advanced options like 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG, giving users more control over color editing. When it comes to obstacle detection, the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional system and APAS 5.0 are top-notch, providing advanced obstacle avoidance. In addition, the Mini 4 Pro offers an impressive maximum range of up to 20 km when using DJI O4, allowing users to explore over longer distances. Whereas, DJI has made significant improvements and introduced new features to the Air 3 drone, making it more versatile and safer for flying. These upgrades include two cameras, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and O4 video transmission. One standout feature of the Air 3 is its ability to capture 2.7K vertical videos with a 9:16 aspect ratio. This means you can easily share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok without the need for cropping. Additionally, the drone offers impressive video modes such as focus tracking, master shots, night mode, and hyperlapse. If you prioritize safety and affordability, we highly recommend considering the Air 3. This drone offers a wide range of features that provide a premium flying experience without putting too much strain on your budget. Starting at just $1,099, the Air 3 stands out as an impressive and versatile drone option. While the Mini 4 Pro is not cheap for a budget drone, with a price tag of $759 for the drone with the battery and RC-N2 controller, it remains unmatched in its price range. Mini 4 is nearly a flawless device that pushes the boundaries of drone technology and is particularly impressive given the no weight restrictions. So determine what you'll be using the drone for and then get what suits you. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.